What's up everyone and welcome back to another tutorial. Today we're going to see how to generate multiple videos at once in Runway ML. Firstly, go to the Runway website and log into your account. Open your dashboard and click Start a new session. Pick a model like Gen 2, Gen 3 Alpha, and Gen 3 Alpha Turbo. More images is more control over the results. Now upload or select from assets and crop if needed to fit resolution. Now use a simple structure to build a good prompt like slow pan, a gorilla running through a neon jungle at night, cinematic lighting. That's an example. Important controls are camera control, motion brush, and aspect ratio. Now, duplicate your session or prompt, slightly change prompt wording, camera movement, and image input. Then click Generate on each version and this will give you different variations fast. Or after generation, one of video, just click Actions, then Variations. Runway creates multiple similar outputs automatically. Select 5 seconds or 10 seconds, then click Generate. And now you can export your multiple videos by doing Extend Video, Remix, Adjust Motion, then exporting as PDF, as MP4 or GIF. And that's it guys, as simple as that, and that's how you can do it. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more tips and tricks like this.